defective. So now we gotta put these on. That's all the customer has. So if it's defective, man, I gotta do what the customer wants. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna help him out here. And he's not gonna drive it. We're gonna put the old one right back on there. And just for video demonstration purposes. Boom, downpipe is getting installed as an Infinity. Here's the hardware right here. You can see he liked me, he kept it all in the bag. And Khalifa's is getting ready right now to take these apart, drop them, and chunk them, baby. The reason why I'm bringing her back down, man, we forgot to do the sound clip. So we're about to do the pre-startup right now. But what I'm looking at is these chrome lugs, man. You know I'm gonna put some black ones on there. All right, get ready. I can't hear nothing. Just kidding. A little trick that we always do. We hit it with the BG Enforce lubricating fluid first while it's hot. And that will in turn prevent any loose bolts or any stuck bolts and broken bolts, because my name is not Broken Bolts. What that does is kind of opens up the nuts. Man, I'm sorry, I'm trying to. It just basically makes it easier for us to take off the nuts. Damn. It makes it easier for us to take off the bolts, all right? So that we can go ahead and do the downpipes. We went to tell the customer that on this side it's a 2-bolt flange, but on this side it's a 3-bolt flange. And he looked at me and said, nope, it'll work. Full downpipe, man. Check out all those defective units. We will be returning this one back to stock. It's for video purposes. You might have heard something in that video, man. That was me actually, how do I say it nicely, urinating. And my videographer, Caleb, which is right here, plumb forgot I was still mic'd up, man. So now we're building a relationship. We did not do that on purpose, man. That was an accident. I wouldn't do that to you guys, man. Come on, baby. Downpipes are complete. Off to the muffler shop he goes to get it bolted up and squared away and dialed in and kitted out, man. Need work, come to Autosport. That was a very quick install. That's why we're gonna go ahead and also talk about this Ford truck we're about to drop with a 4.6 drop from IHC, man. Single cab mafia, man. Here we go. So this truck is in for a IHC drop and a roof wrap. He's keeping his factory wheels right now because he's getting wheels later or built for him, something like that. And in case you see him out in the streets, because he is a single cab, rest assured he's got a permit for that. You know what? IHC is awesome because they're different from all other lift kits, man. And I'm sure you know this already. You know what? I went against my own just to make sure that the part numbers are the same. Yep. These two are the same. I always label part numbers first and I don't throw away the box, and then I'm getting a little excited for the video. And big old Bertha. Alright, so now let me just organize it here real fast. Left with a little part of the table. You know, I don't have, damn it. Do you really want me to open this box or not? I'm gonna charge y'all just for opening the box, man. Hey, John, put 0.5 hours on here to open the box for the customer. I wish. Who can tell me what this is? Same part numbers. Uh-oh. I think Pablo left his package in here. Like a brick. So if anybody wants to give me a Christmas gift, I can use it practicing on opening more gifts, as you can see. Hint, hint, baby. Most important part of all this, man, is the instructions. Because all the little tips and secrets are in here. And we're not a shop that throws them away. We're a shop that reads them and adds our own knowledge to them. Man, what have I done? It's like a gremlin, man. Don't give me caffeine. I was gonna say after a certain time in the morning. Don't ever give me caffeine. Why? Rocket fuel for winners, baby. Now let's measure it. 35, and the rear a whopping 39. Let's bring that down a notch, can we? You know what makes IHC suspension different from the rest, man? And you know I appreciate different from the rest. They drop their vehicles via control arms, not springs. That way you end up with a Cadillac ride, man. You gotta sit in a vehicle that has IHC suspension and feel for yourself. And then I mentioned it's all handmade right here in Texas in the Valley. There's a single cab Mafia right here, 2-wheel drive truck. I can't wait, baby. Let's go. D, you see it right there? The D's been ready, baby. Driver's side done, and now we're doing the passenger side. All right, man, so take a look at her, man. The drop has dropped. It did its job. We also did a roof wrap, gloss black roof wrap. The front is now 32 inches and the rear is 33 inches. Previously, the front was 35 and the back was 39 inches, so I suspect it did a job by lowering the vehicle. And if you're wondering why I'm doing a voiceover, man, I got slammed busy and duty calls, so I'm here to complete the video and telling you if you need work, come to Deviate Autosport. Check it out. Hey, man, Hey, man, I want a single cab truck now. Well, we should go look for one. If you know anybody selling one, man, let me know. Come get that complimentary wheel alignment, man. Bring me your kit to drop or order one today.